Hey, my name is Bola Shokumbi. I'm the founder and CEO of Clever Girl Finance. And in this video, we're going to talk about 11 jobs that you can do working from home to earn you some extra cash, no scams, real legit jobs. Hang on till the end of this video so you can get some personalized action tips on how you can improve your financial wellness. Let's get into it. So do you feel like you're on Instagram or reading a blog post and every other post you read about someone working from home, they're making tons of money doing a job that you don't quite understand? Well, I'm gonna cut through all the noise and talk about some real jobs that you can do to earn some extra cash working from home. And with this money, you can put it towards your financial goals like saving, investing, and paying off your debt. And before we get into those actual job categories, there are some real benefits of working from home. Number one, you don't have to deal with all the office politics. You have the flexibility in your schedule to work wherever you want. You can set up your home office the way you want it to be, and you can actually learn some new skills and make some extra money. One thing you want to keep in mind when it comes to online jobs is that you want to make sure that you do your research and make sure that you're working for a reputable company, and you also want to make sure that you avoid being scammed. So one popular job that you can work from home doing is to work as a virtual assistant. And with this job, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $38 an hour. And you basically have the opportunity to support an entrepreneur or a business with their administrative tasks or other tasks. And what's great about this job is that you can have multiple clients at once, and you also have the opportunity to learn new skills like software and even network with the people that you're working for. So being a virtual assistant is a great way to earn extra money working from home. So another great job that you can do working from home is teaching English as a second language. There are tons of people all over the world who want to improve their English, and it's something that you can do from home. On average, being an English tutor pays around $22 an hour, and there are tons of websites that allow you to sign up and provide your credentials, basically that you went to high school in English, that will allow you to teach English as a second language. Another job to consider is proofreading. So if you're someone who likes to read, but you also pay attention to detail, this could be a great side hustle or part-time job for you to do working from home. On average, this job pays around $20 an hour, and you can basically proofread for authors or people who are creating large amounts of literature and need people to go over the content to make sure that it's accurate. Another great work from home job is to become a blogger and to start blogging. And there is a strategy to starting a blog, however. You can't just put one up and expect to earn tons of money. You have to get familiar with how to create content that people want to read and how to understand how SEO works so that you can rank for the content that you're creating on Google searches. And the income that you can earn from being a blogger has no limit. There are bloggers who make millions, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year. But it's all about creating a strategy to build your blog. If you enjoy writing, becoming a freelance writer is a great way to earn additional income. And you can earn money per article. A lot of people pay between $50 and $300 for each article that you write. And you can become a freelance writer in an area that you like. So if you enjoy personal finance, you can become a personal finance freelance writer. If you enjoy cooking, you can write in that area. And it is a great way to supplement your income doing something that you love to do, which is writing. Are you a superstar on social media, like you have your Instagram game on lock? Well, there are a ton of entrepreneurs who are looking for social media managers. And if you can show them that you are able to achieve growth with their account, using your account as an example, and the average pay for being a social media manager is between $15 and $28 per hour. And the great thing is that you can have multiple clients whose accounts you manage their social media for. Another really great work from home job is to be a resume writer. So there's a huge market of people who are trying to find jobs in the workforce, and they need a little bit of help with their resume. And when it comes to resume writing, depending on the field and the career level, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $2,000 helping someone craft their resume to get an entry-level job or even a high-end job that comes with a 6 or even 7-figure salary. So this is definitely a niche market where you can earn some extra money working from home. Graphic design is also hugely popular with entrepreneurs. If you have any graphic design skills, this is another great way to earn money working from home. So on average, graphic designers make about $44,000 a year, and some even charge freelancing about $75 an hour. So if you have design skills, you can definitely support entrepreneurs who have websites or social media accounts and they need consistent graphic design work. This is a great job to make extra money, especially if you have the skill set. And even if you don't have the skill set, you can definitely learn how to become a great graphic designer. So similar to graphic design, designing websites is another great way that you can make extra money working from home. And depending on how simple or how complex the website you're designing is, you can charge anywhere from $400 to multiple thousands of dollars to create a website for somebody, especially entrepreneurs or people looking to have an online presence. And even if you don't have the background of website design, it's something that you can learn by taking some courses online. So this is another way that you can make some really good money working from home. Another work from home job that's really popular, especially during seasonal periods like the holiday season, is working as a customer service rep from your home. And this is a job that you can do by either answering calls or responding to customer service emails. And it doesn't really require a lot of experience other than a great personality and a willingness to learn about the product that you're supporting. This job typically pays around $10 to $17 an hour, with the average being $13. And finally, another great way that you can earn extra money working from home is to start a side hustle by starting your own online store. And you can do this on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, Poshmark, eBay, and even Facebook Marketplace. And there's no limit to how much you can earn. You can sell things that you have in your house that you don't need anymore on eBay and Etsy. You can create your own products and sell them, or you can buy low and sell high. And this is a great way to start your own side hustle and earn extra income working from home. So there are tons of ways that you can earn additional income working from home, but they will require a little bit of effort. You might need to improve your skill sets, but with commitment and dedication, you can actually increase your income right from the comfort of your own home. And as I mentioned at the beginning, when it comes to working from home, it's really important that you do your research. You want to make sure that you're working for a well-reviewed and reputable company. Super important. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, head over to clevergirlfinance.com and take our money personality quiz so you can find out what your money personality is, and you can get personalized tips on how you can work towards achieving your financial wellness. Thank you guys so much for watching.